Recently, Apple has released their smartphones and now they also started rolling out the iOS 12. And many users are excited about this update because it has some good features. Company claims that iOS 12 is faster than iOS 11 and also app opening is improved by 50%. Most of us already know to the features that are coming in new iOS 12 update, but today I have picked only 3 new features that might be useful for you. So hello guys, this is TechBuzz and today I will be showing you how to use new features of iOS 12. In my list of 3 features, I have picked the Memo G at first place. In iPhone X, you must have seen an emoji feature which can literally transform you into the animal or robot you want to be. However, this Memoji feature is not different than that, but here you can now use human face, but the working will be same as an emoji, and here you can now add the first human face, and this allows you to create multiple Memoji also. Now you can make any customizations in your Memoji and set it the way you want it to look like. You can now make video of your action and you can send this to anybody. Now moving to the next feature, which is screen time. It is similar to Google Wellbeing introduced in Android Pie. This helps you to get proper sleep because when you enable this feature in your iPhone, it can give access to specific apps that you have allowed to work in an active hour of screen time. All other apps will not disturb you by unwanted notifications, so from now use this before going to the bed. Now we have our final app, Measure, which is new to iOS 12. As its name suggests, it helps to measure the object's height, width and length. And now you can also measure distance in meters or centimeters. So it's handy tool for many people who works in construction industry or something like that. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notified on every new upload. And also like this video and leave your suggestions and queries in the comment section.